What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best Android tablets on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks, and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra from Samsung takes the excellence of their tablets to new heights, possibly even teetering on excessiveness for some. Yet, for those willing to invest in this premium device, a stunning 14.5-inch AMOLED screen steals the spotlight, boasting an impressive 1,848 by 2,960 resolution and a silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The tablet maintains sleek thin bezels, with a minor notch at the top, thankfully in landscape mode, accommodating the two 12MP front-facing cameras. Ideal for immersive movie and TV experiences, the expansive screen facilitates seamless multitasking, setting it apart from its counterparts. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, the Tab S9 Ultra, akin to its smaller counterparts, offers configurations with either 12 or 16 GB of RAM and up to a whopping 1 TB of storage, expandable via microSD card. Anchored by an impressive 11,200 mAh battery, the largest in the S9 lineup, it effortlessly keeps pace with the demands of the oversized display. Number 2. Amazon Fire HD8 2022. Priced at $100, Amazon's 2022 Fire HD8 tablet positions itself as a slightly more premium alternative to the Fire 7, without breaking the bank. While not as budget-friendly as the Fire 7, the Fire HD8 justifies its modest increase in cost by offering a larger, higher-resolution display and a noticeable boost in performance. The 8-inch display, though technically labeled as HD with a resolution of 1,280 by 800, brings a tangible improvement over its predecessor. It enhances the overall user experience, making it well-suited for activities such as reading, social media browsing, and even some light gaming. Amazon's Fire HD8 emerges as a commendable option, striking a balance between cost-effectiveness and enhanced features. As a budget-friendly yet slightly more advanced tablet, it caters to users seeking a step up from the entry-level Fire 7, delivering a satisfactory display and performance without demanding a significant financial investment. Number 3. Google Pixel Tablet. The Google Pixel Tablet marks the company's highly anticipated return to the tablet landscape. Positioned as a solid mid-range option, the tablet boasts a respectable 60 Hz LCD screen, stereo speakers, and commendable performance driven by its denser G2 chipset and 8 GB of RAM, a configuration mirroring the Pixel 7 series. However, what sets the Pixel tablet apart is not just its intrinsic features, but the compelling addition of the charging speaker dock that comes bundled with it. Transforming the tablet into a quasi-smart display, the dock introduces hub mode, enabling seamless Hey Google commands, and functioning as a Chromecast target for both audio and video. The dock speakers elevate the audio experience, compensating for the tablet's average built-in speakers. Priced at $500 with the bundled dock, the Pixel tablet presents an enticing package for users seeking a double-duty device. While the audio from the speaker dock is rated as acceptable, and hub mode may lack some features found in Google's Nest speakers and smart displays, the overall proposition becomes intriguing for those unfazed by these limitations. In essence, the Google Pixel tablet, coupled with its innovative dock, emerges as a compelling and versatile option in the tablet market. Number 4. OnePlus Pad. OnePlus steps into the tablet arena with finesse, introducing the OnePlus Pad as its inaugural entry, and it's a commendable first attempt. Boasting robust performance, extended battery life, and the added allure of shipping with Android 13 out of the box, the OnePlus Pad sets a solid foundation. Additionally, OnePlus offers enticing optional accessories to complement the tablet's functionality. The tablet excels in several areas, delivering reliable performance and an impressive battery lifespan. The 7 5. Aspect ratio of the screen enhances the user experience, particularly for tasks like reading and internet browsing, though it may not be the ideal choice for standard 16:9 video content. An emblem of OnePlus's commitment to rapid charging technology, the OnePlus Pad supports up to 67 watts charging, ensuring swift replenishment of its battery. While oxygenous may occasionally present minor inconveniences, and the absence of a fingerprint sensor stands out as a limitation, these factors are outweighed by the tablet's overall appeal. For those undeterred by the occasional quirks, the OnePlus Pad emerges as a compelling choice. Its quick charging capability, seamless performance, and the promise of Android 13 out of the box make it a strong contender in the tablet market, signaling a promising debut for OnePlus in this category. Number 5. Lenovo Tab P11 Pro Gen 2. The Lenovo Tab P11 Pro Gen 2 emerges as a mid-range marvel, where its strength lies not in cutting-edge internals, but in its captivating high-resolution 120 Hz OLED display, catering to the discerning tastes of multimedia enthusiasts. While the tablet may not boast the most formidable chipset, running on a moderate MediaTek platform and featuring 4 GB of RAM, its standout feature is undeniably the impressive OLED panel. With a resolution of 2,560 by 1,536 and a fluid 120 Hz refresh rate, the display elevates the tablet into a realm of visual excellence. Whether indulging in comics, videos, or games, the Lenovo Tab P11 Pro Gen 2 transforms the viewing experience into a visually immersive feast. Positioned at an attractive price point of $400 or less, this tablet becomes an appealing option for those prioritizing media consumption. It may not be the powerhouse for productivity tasks or demanding mobile games, but its brilliant display and reasonable cost make it a solid contender in the mid-range tablet market. For users seeking an enriching multimedia experience without breaking the bank, the Lenovo Tab P11 Pro Gen 2 stands as a testament to the notion that a captivating display can redefine the value proposition of a tablet in the digital landscape. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.